Mastery of ISTE Standard 2C coach teachers in and model engagement of students in local and global interdisciplinary units in which technology helps students assume professional roles, research real-world problems, and collaborate with others and produce products that are meaningful and useful to a wide audience. This was done through collaborating as part of ISTE 7500. I worked with Shannon Petty on a data project where we researched data literacy and what that meant. We used Google Drive as part of that collaboration, and we had a shared folder. And this is something that we would encourage as a technology specialist our teachers to do when they are collaborating on a project, is to have as we say, we have team drives where you can have a group of people working together on a project, a team, if you're using G Suites, and also just sharing drive folders with others. And this is an easy way for people to collaborate. Another way that we collaborated through the project was also using Facebook Messenger. We chatted back and forth through that as well. And we were able to research a real world problem and looking at data literacy. We researched independently and then came together adding to a shared document, and we gave each other specific jobs to do. And that helped us because, you know, as we're working on any type of project, you need to have specific roles, because if you don't, everybody keeps repeating the same work and nothing ever really gets done. And we were able to produce something that was pretty meaningful. We came up with our data literacy project, and the portion that I completed was taking the data together. I used information that she sourced and then information I sourced, and I put together this slides presentation about how we can empower students through data literacy and to look at our jobs as educators. And this is information that I would easily and happily share with my school team to discuss why we need to be on the same page with how we're using our data and why we're using our data. And so, you know, we talk through this, and we're looking at, these are real world problems that we're researching. These are questions that, you know, teachers sit in professional development meetings and ask, what are we supposed to do with this data? How are we going to use it, and how is it going to help students? And so putting this presentation together allowed us to research this real world problem and work together just as we would expect the teachers that we're coaching together. If we give them an assignment to come up with some strategies to help specific students, or to come up with some strategies to solve problems within the school, to come together and collaborate and share information. And to really, you know, we expect our students to take ownership of their data, and we as teachers should, and as technology coaches, should give ownership to the teachers of solving problems that meet the needs of their specific students and their situations.